Hello and welcome to our video about anamorphic lens and how it can enhance the cinematic look of your 3D renders. Anamorphic lens is a type of camera lens that allows you to capture aspect ratios such as 2:35:1 or 2:40:1, which are commonly used in cinematography. By using anamorphic lens, you can create a more immersive and cinematic experience for your viewers. But how does it work? Anamorphic lens works by squashing the image horizontally while recording and then stretching it back out during post-production. This process creates a distortion effect that gives your footage a unique cinematic look. Now you may be wondering how this relates to 3D rendering. Well, by using anamorphic lens in your 3D renders, you can achieve a more realistic and cinematic look. This is especially useful if you are creating 3D renders for movies, TV shows or other video projects that require a more realistic and cinematic appearance. So if you want to take your 3D renders to the next level and create a more cinematic look, consider using anamorphic lens. It may take some extra work and attention to detail, but the end result will be worth it. Thanks for watching our video about anamorphic lens and how it can enhance the cinematic look of your 3D renders. We hope you found this information helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.